Hello and welcome to Biotech Information. In this video, we will discuss about top most universities in the world and in Pakistan offering degree of biotechnology, including BS, BSc, MS, MSc, MPhil and PhD. Here we will discuss top 10 universities in ranking. It includes Harvard University. It is the most famous university for offering biotech courses. Here understudies might also have some expertise in bioengineering and nanotechnologies, bioinformatics, life sciences. This university also have executive standards for biotechnology graduate programs that leads to professional in medical and biotechnological fields. Second one is Stanford University. Stanford University was opened in 1891 and is located in California on the San Francisco. It is especially well known for science and innovation and university researches. Students and alumni make important contributions to technological advancement in Silicon Valley, which is conventionally located near the university. Third one is University of Oxford. As you all know about this famous university for different fields of study. College of Oxford was positioned among the main three colleges for clinical sciences. It is included in the most seasoned college in the world. It has not many rivals as far as the consistency and impact of its science, which leads from the starting point of universe to the development of cruise societies to latest medical technology. Next one is University Cambridge of Cambridge. Cambridge University is offering four main undergraduate programs in life sciences, including natural science specialism, preclinical veterinary science, psychological and behavioral science. Medical science is also offered by Cambridge University, hence we can say Cambridge University is the topmost in rankings for students interested in biotechnology. Massachusetts Institute of Technology. In this university, undergraduate and graduate students may obtain research experience as there is well-organized MLT labs and centers present, including MLT Nuclear Reactor Laboratory, which is one of the largest university research reactors. Next is Cornell University. This university was founded in 1865, located in New York. Cornell University is ranked one of the best biotechnological universities in the world. It also offers scientists to work at the laboratories from all over the world and also support new and modern techniques of biotechnology. Now let me tell you about famous University of Denmark. Technical University of Denmark. This university is ranked 7th in the best universities offering courses of biotechnology and applied microbiology according to the list of US winners. This university was founded in 1829. Let's talk about University of California, San Diego. It is a well-known university and recognized as top most universities in the US, and it is maintaining its position from years for biotechnology. It was established in 1960 in San Diego, near the Pacific Ocean. In ranking, it is standing at 4th for biomedical and bioengineering. This university have got several awards and medals in the field of biochemistry and bioengineering. Next one is University of Queensland, Australia. The University of Queensland, Australia is located in Brisbane. It was established in 1909 and ranked 10th in biotechnology. This university is highly famous for providing best education facilities for researchers with a remarkable lifestyle. Now, I'm talking about University of California, Berkeley. In ranking, it stands 6th in QS World Ranking for top best biotechnological universities in the world in 2020. It is famous for public research universities in San Francisco Bay Area. where 27,000 undergraduate and 10,000 postgraduate students are studying. Let's talk about top 10 universities offering biotechnology in Pakistan. There are many universities in Pakistan offering biotechnology. The question arises, which university is best for biotechnology? Which institutes provide best biotechnologies? What is the scope of this degree? So, just talking about institutes, let me tell you about top 10 universities. The first university offering biotechnology is University of Punjab. It is well known in reputation in the field of biotechnology and other sciences. Second one is Quaid-e-Azam University, Islamabad. Here in 2006, Biotech Department is established. University is offering BS, MPhil and PhD in biotechnology. Third one is Government College University, Faisalabad. This university is providing high quality research in the field of biotech, bioinformatics and genetic engineering by using modern tools. University of Agriculture has not only well-known reputation in Pakistan but also in the world and considered one of the best universities in the field of biotech and biochemistry. ComSets University Islamabad, Abbottabad campus is also well known for providing cutting-edge scientific research in field of biotech. Due to international level of research facilities, International Islamic University Islamabad is well known locally and globally in the field of biological sciences. As the name indicates, veterinary and animal sciences, UAS. UAS also offers professional degree in biochemistry and biotechnology. Department of Biotechnology was established in 1996 in University of Karachi. This institute is ranked the best university to offer biotech in Sindh. Kohar University of Science and Technology. This university is offering BS, MPhil, PhD programs and is ranked top best universities in Pakistan. Government College University Lahore, taking the second spot as the best university for biotechnology. GC is also offering professional degree in the industrial biotechnology, which is most advanced field. Thank you for watching.